Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make hustle money. Let's dive into understanding what hustle money truly means and how you can cultivate the right mindset to achieve it. It's about generating additional income streams beyond your main employment, often by leveraging existing skills or developing new ones. Many successful hustlers begin by dedicating just 5 to 10 hours each week, gradually expanding their efforts as their ventures grow and become more profitable. This approach allows for flexible growth. Next, let's discover your unique earning potential. Begin by listing your existing skills, hobbies, and even passions. Think about what you genuinely enjoy doing and what you are good at. Then, research the market to identify specific needs or gaps that your skills could fill. Perhaps you're excellent at graphic design, or maybe you have a knack for organizing. There are countless opportunities to turn these talents into valuable services for others, often starting with a small client base. Now, let's explore some effective hustle strategies you can implement today. Freelancing is a popular option, offering services like content writing, graphic design, or virtual assistance to clients worldwide. You could also sell handmade crafts or unique curated items on online marketplaces, reaching a broad audience. Alternatively, consider providing local services such as dog walking, tutoring, or even running errands for busy neighbors. Many people earn hundreds of dollars monthly through these flexible opportunities. Finally, let's discuss how to scale and sustain your hustle for long-term success. A smart move is to reinvest about 20 to 30% of your initial earnings back into your venture, perhaps for marketing or new tools. Effective time management is crucial. Dedicate specific blocks of time to your hustle to avoid burnout. Regularly track your progress, analyze what works best, and be prepared to adapt your strategies. This consistent effort can transform a small side project into a significant income stream.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.